Greetings, future scholars of America. Mr. Barfield here with another grammar video. Today's topic is principal parts of verbs. That's right, we are moving into a unit entirely about verbs. We've already done one video on the basicness of verbs as a part of speech, but I would argue that verbs are the most complex and important part of speech there are, and thus require their own unit to fully understand all the different tenses and voices. So here we go, the four principal parts of verbs. The four principal parts are base form, present participle, past form, and past participle. Okay? As seen by this chart, when they're in their different forms, they look differently. Okay? But all verb tenses are formed from these basic parts. Base form and past form can be used on their own by themselves as main verbs, whereas present and past participle, if they want to function as the simple predicate in a sentence, they're going to need to be combined with one or more helping verbs. Lions roar, base form. Lions roared, past form. Lions are roaring, present participle, because it has the ing at the end. Lions have roared, past participle, because it has the ed at the end, and it has a helping verb. A regular verb forms past or past participle simply by adding ed to the base form. Like nail is a regular verb because you just add an ed. Ring is not a regular verb, it's irregular because it forms its past and past participle in a different way. You don't say ringed, you say rang. Or be becomes was and were. Or bite becomes bit. Grow is also an irregular verb. If you can think of any others, write them down in your notes. Also, Easter egg alert, which state was Mr. Barfield born in? Hint, it's not the one you think it might be. All right, see you later.